So today we got the new Silverado. We're gonna throw 2 square 12s under the back seat, customizing the box a little bit. What we're going for is still be able to have his kids' seats, amplifier up on the back wall, and we're gonna squeeze a couple 12s under here. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy in. Oh man, look at that radio. MyLink. So this would be a Z71. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we got the audio enhancers, vehicle specific box. We got the undersized one. We're gonna go ahead and cut that hole out to fit the bigger subwoofers. It's recessed under here to give you more mounting depth. So we're gonna get the box speakers mounted and wired up. Let's see what we got here. So full size surround. Definitely a lot more excursion than you expect from a shallow woofer. Moderately deep, about 4-inch mounting depth. We'll get the specs on that shortly. And to make up for the power handling, it's got a pretty large magnet. Dual voice coil. Got 2 coils on each side, or 1 coil on each side. They're 2 ohm. So that's a 2 ohm coil there. And that's a 2 ohm coil there. Alright, let's get these mounted. Just going to set up a router to do some work on the speaker box and get these subwoofers fitting. We're going to get this bit installed there. Got the flush trim piece going on there. So we got the dual voice coil subwoofers. We're going to wire these in series. So we're going to take the positive from coil 1 to the negative on coil 2. And then the speaker wire strip, and so the negative from the amplifier will go to the negative of coil 1. The jumper comes over like such. last thing we got is the standoff feet. These are going to be used so that the box is up off the carpet. The speaker box can't get wet or damaged. Alright, so there you got it. We've got the standoffs. Got the kicker solo barracks. Look how, you know, when you push down on this and let go, look how long that takes to come back up. It's still coming back up. That is a very sealed box. And then these come with decorative tabs to cover the screws. Not that you see under your seat anyways, but nice little touch. So we got the box routed out, speakers terminated, hooked up, mounted, standoff feet done. This box is ready to jam. Alright, so we're about halfway through this. So far we got, you know, wires ran through the factory channels. We'll still be working on putting that together. The bass knob and the little cubby hole there. Radio's been apart and back together already. We've got a board and knockout in the back wall we're working on. So we'll be able to mount our amplifier. Got most of the wires ran. We're gonna do a ground. Speaker boxes ready to go. Our underhood. The wire coming up and over. All nice and zip tied. Going and tied up with the battery there. Fused and everything. So that's the Chevy Silverado Z71. Pretty well through. So we're gonna get this amp in, the seat back in, sub box in, and see how this bad boy sounds.
Throw me aside at the end of the game. Turn your back cause I call your name. Another love gone bad again. Bad again, bad again. Slam the door as you curse my name. Toss my clothes on the open flame. Another love gone bad again. Bad again, bad again. Well, I'm glad that it's over, cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. And I won't look past my shoulder, cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. And it's already done. Now you're on your own. Hope you feel the pain of your thoughts inside, driving you insane. Now another love gone bad again. Bad again, you're bad again. That you're on your own. Hope you feel the pain of your thoughts inside, driving you insane. Now another love gone bad again. Bad again, you're bad again. Well, I'm glad that it's over, cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. And I won't look past my shoulder, cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. And it's already well, done. I'm glad that it's over, cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. And I will look past my shoulder, cause it can't hurt anymore. Hurt anymore. Then it's already done. You can hurt me, you can hurt me.
Cool. Alright. So we're all done. We got the Z71. We got this back together. Room for the car seats. Gets to keep those. just fits down and under the seat there. But that's the Chevy Z71 package. So, need a new stereo for your car or truck? Give us a buzz. Thanks. Subscribe here now. Watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube. Subscribe here now. Watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube. Subscribe here now.